Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Estimade guide. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important features in our app, Service Library. The Service Library is your central hub for organizing and managing all your service-related tasks. If you have some services that you include in your offer almost every time, it's a good idea to save it in library. Within a service library, you will find three main components: modules, features, and tasks. Modules are large parts of the project that cover many functions. For example, a module can be a kickoff, which includes some additional tasks. Editing a module in the services library comes down only to changing its name. For a module to fulfill its role, it should contain at least one feature. The execution time of a module is the sum of the execution times of all nested features. A feature is a large group of tasks in a project. In a service library, features can be added as a module elements or as independent components of estimations. What is important is the fact that you can assign a priority execution only to a feature. Priorities are taken from the system settings. I mentioned about priorities in Configuration Wizard video. In addition, it is possible to create a detailed description and enter execution time if the feature does not have subtasks. If it does, execution time is calculated as a sum of tasks for each work type. The last, most detailed elements are tasks. Tasks are the smallest elements of the project, which should not be further divided. Within a task, you have the ability to edit a name, description, and enter execution times. In tasks and features that do not have subtasks, you can estimate the execution time by entering a number of hours for each service category. Exceptions are those categories that you have defined in settings as automatically calculated. These will be calculated based on the values from other categories you have entered. Each item in the library can be duplicated to save your time in refilling the content. You can duplicate tasks along with their sub-elements, or create copies completely independently of existing library elements as a new module, feature, or task. The service library is used as a resource in your quotes. You will learn how to use it when creating a backlog in the following videos. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more Estimade tips and tricks coming your way soon.